I'm going to take you through a couple stretches that's fantastic for hip mobility. So start off, this is called a butterfly stretch. Your feet are going to be together on the roller, and I want you just squeeze the legs apart. Make sure that the knees are not compressed. Now you can take one hand down and one hand up and compress. When you do this, squeeze your buttocks. If you squeeze your buttocks, you're going to get more stretch on the opposite side. So I'm going to take care of both sides. Push, squeeze the buttocks, hold it, relax the shoulders, and then the next one, I'm going to elevate the body. Same butterfly position, knees are comfortable. Come all the way down until you feel like you can hold that stretch. Take a deep breath in, squeeze the legs apart, and then press the buttocks away. That's going to open things up in the hip. Then come on back to a neutral position. Let's do that one more time. All the way back, open up the hips. You're going to feel a wonderful stretch on the outside, maybe on the IT and hips. Take a deep breath in, roll it on up, and you are done. 2 stretches for hip mobility. Until next time.